Daddy's work?
Daddy work.
Where does Daddy work?
Daddy work.
Daddy's not working, baby. Daddy's here.
Daddy, I'm set.
You wear your ambulance shirt? That's a nice ambulance shirt you have there. You love your ambulance shirt?
Daddy, I'm set.
That is Cutcot's ambulance shirt. Do you know that Aunt Beeble one day is going to drive in an ambulance? You do? Mama told you? That's a nice shirt, buddy. What does the ambulance do? Does the ambulance help people? Yeah.
I'm set.
Can you say A?
A.
B?
B.
C?
C.
D?
D.
E?
E.
F?
S.
F.
F.
Very good. G? Can you say G?
G.
H?
G.
H? I? 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 Say I. J?
J.
K?
K.
L?
A.
M?
M.
N? O?
O.
P?
P.
Q?
Q.
R? No, gosh. S? Can you say S?
S.
T?
T.
U?
U.
V?
My.
W? W? Say it, Cotton. Uh-oh. W? X? Y? Z?
C.
Yay! Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
1.
Woo! 2. Can you say 3? Oh, goodness. You are such a monkey. 2. Look at him on top of me. Crazy boy.